Jaipuria Institute of Management, with campuses in Jaipur, Lucknow, Ghaziabad, and Indore, has a 4.4 star rating out of 5 from students on Shiksha.com, with today's focus on the Jaipur campus. Let's dive into the PGDM program, starting with placements rated 4.3 stars. According to the NIRF 2024 report, 99% of the 185 students graduating in 2022-23 were placed, with one opting for higher studies. The placement rate has steadily improved over the past 3 years. Top recruiters included Birla Opus, ICICI Bank, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Coca-Cola, and Adani Cement, offering roles like sales executive, financial analyst, tax associate, and regional head. The highest package stood at 21 lakh per annum, while the median package was around 8.3 lakh per annum, a significant improvement over the past 3 years. When compared to the nearby institutions, Jaipur's median package is slightly ahead of Manipal University, but lags behind MNIT Jaipur. Speaking of internships, the campus achieved 100% summer internship placements with over 300 new recruiters. About 80% of the offers came from BFSI, FMCG, CD, manufacturing, and consulting. The highest stipend was 1.4 lakhs and the average stood at around 30,000 rupees. Students appreciated the institute's mentorship throughout these internships, with roles like credit intern at HDB Financial Services and wealth management intern at Bajaj Finserv. Moving on now to academics, where Jaipuria offers a 4.4 rated 2-year general PGDM program, along with 4 specialized PGDM courses in financial services, marketing, service management, and retail management. The general PGDM also offers 6 sub-specializations in marketing, finance, HR, operations management, business analytics, and family business and entrepreneurship. Admission is based on CAT, CMAT, XAT, MAT, or GMAT scores, along with a bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks. Regarding cost, the total fees for the program is approximately 13.75 lakhs, and hostel fees ranges from 1.15 lakhs to 1.7 lakhs per year, depending on the room type. Scholarships are awarded based on scores in CAT, CMAT, XAT, MAT, or GMAT exams. Switching gears to the 4.5 rated infrastructure. The Wi-Fi enabled campus features air-conditioned modern classrooms, seminar halls, auditoriums, computer labs, and a library. Hostel accommodations are available with Wi-Fi, study desks, and storage. Students particularly praise the hygienic and tasty mess food. The campus also has a sports room, basketball court, music room, student lounge, and medical facilities, ensuring a well-rounded student experience. Turning our attention to faculty and course, rated 4.5 stars. Students share that the faculty members are highly qualified, with most professors holding PhDs. Students have shared that learning is engaging through case studies, presentations, class discussions, and debates. Jaipuria also offers a management development program and consulting services to help organizations achieve strategic goals. Internationally, Jaipuria has collaborations with renowned institutions like RENNES, GBS Dubai, KEDGE Business School, and the University of Wollongong, Australia. Now on to the campus life, that has been rated 4.4 stars. Jaipuria offers a variety of student clubs such as Spartans, Incredible, Money Makers, and Data Drivers. The campus also hosts events like the annual Inter-College Fest, that is Abhyudaya, Jai Utsav, and the International Youth Conference, along with workshops and alumni meets. Lastly, Jaipuria has risen 5 spots to rank 75th in the NIRF 2024 management category. For more details on Jaipuria Institute of Management Jaipur and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.